Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do a review on the Power Bear battery that's made by Power Bear. I bought this on Amazon and the battery is for my V20 LG V20 smartphone. My V20 came with a used battery that I bought. It came with a used battery. But I also bought a second spare battery just in case that I might need a spare one for traveling or for emergencies. So I got the same size battery, the same voltage and everything. Whatever this is, 32 milliamps. There we go. So it's same size, but this is the original battery. But when I put it in there, it fits perfectly, but it seems like it's a tighter fit than the original battery. But what I've seen so far and noticed after using this battery for a while is that it holds a better charge than the used one, of course. But I think it holds a better charge than the original battery that's new too. A long time ago, a while back, I've used a V20 that's new and with a new battery before, and I think the Power Bear battery is still better. It's able to hold a good charge and it lasts longer too. You can just store it for a while, and when you put it in there, it's still just as good as new. So you won't need to recharge it or anything for a while. So when I bought it, it came with this. And then it has a sticker inside too, or at least that's what I can remember. Looks like this. The sticker comes like this when I bought it. Don't forget to calibrate your battery. Oh, I haven't done that yet. So how to calibrate your battery? Alright, it has instructions on what to do for a Power Bear to get the best results right here. So info@gopowerbear.com. You're able to go to that website and get it calibrated so it's able to hold, so you can use your battery to its full potential. So what else did it came with? Oh yeah, it came with this sticker thingy too. I'll show you too. It comes with this little manual or whatever. You can sign up. And I'll show you the sticker. Hold on. I'm doing this one hand, so it comes with a little sticker. It looks pretty cool, actually. I'll probably stick it in the back of my case when I'm done. When I get a case for it, I just ordered the case for it online. I'm waiting for it to come. Bought it on eBay, so I bought the case and the screen protector on eBay. So, and every phone should have a case and screen protector regardless of the military spec protection that it gives. So let's see, powered on. Alright, see, it works. Yeah, so the battery is very good. I think Power Bear brand costs a little bit more than the other brands, but I still think it's one of the best brands I would recommend for you guys to get. Let's see, what else? It's the same size, same. Oh yeah, I'm able to take the battery out and take the back case of the phone out and still be able to use the phone. So I'm just here to show it to you guys. And I'm recording all this on my Nexus 6 Motorola Nexus 6, and I'm testing the camera out too. So yeah, and there's a micro SD card in here. You're able to put in a 2 terabyte micro SD card in there, but I think that's just too much. So I just put in a 32 gigabyte micro SD card. I think everyone should have a spare battery with them. especially if they're using a phone with a removable battery. So I think you should get it. Alright, so it's past my time now. So, a real man be with the woman he chooses. Out.